Ayan na. Woo! Kapag ganun si David, oh. Dahil sa birthday ng isa sa idol natin sa Mahalima ay eto nga po, no. Babalikan po natin ang isa sa kakilakilabot na performance live niya, no. Live performance cover niya nga po, no. So which is si Estel Ahero. Babalikan po natin ang pinaka, no. Talaga namang kakilakilabot nga po, which is yung All By Myself nga po. Luma na yung video. So syempre, balik tanaw lang tayo ulit since birthday na nga po mismo ngayong araw ng ating idol na si Estel ng SB19 ay eto nga po, no. Panoorin po natin at muli tayong magbalik tanaw, muli tayong kilabutan at humanga dito nga po sa talaga namang grabing boses na ipinakita niya rito, mga madam, mga sir, no. Okay, so wala nang tumpik-tumpik pa. Let's go. Play na agad natin to.
Please welcome back Stella. Stella, where are you?
I'm here.
I just gave whoa!
You know?
Thank you for having me.
I just gave you a girl's name. I'm sorry.
It's fine. I always get that a lot.
I'm sorry.
It's
Still,
okay.
Hey.
Galing kay Reo Mart yung pinakang video pa pinapanood
Not
natin.
the Stella Show.
Matagal na yung pinaka-video. Ayan, so post natin June 19. So June 19 to, 2024. So magto 2 years na pala siya etong June 19, mga madam, mga sir, mga repa ko. Let's go.
Happy to have you and help me out with this song today. But I wanted to show a little clip first, if you don't mind.
Okay.
So when I was making this song with Celine, she complained really a lot about this very high note in the song, right? It's an impossible note to sing, and she hated me in the studio that day. If you ever read her book, page 37 and page 38, she devotes 2 pages to how much she hated me that day in the studio. But we got the job done. She hit the high note, and it took her a few tries. Tonight, my friend Estelle, you only get 1 try.
One take lang, no?
Can I show you? I want to show everybody the clip.
Excited ako sa Estel.
I want to show everybody the clip.
Yakang-yaka yan, basic lang yan.
Here's the clip of Celine talking about. Here we go.
Some base lang yung gagawin, no?
David Foster called
Si Celine,
me, and I was in Montreal. He was in California, in Malibu. I arrived to the
yung
studio.
may-ari ng kantang All By
He
Myself.
says, "You're gonna freak. It's so amazing." But he said, "I have a little surprise for you." And I'm like, "Oh, okay." And he plays me the track when I was young, and it starts, and it's so beautiful. And then he said, "Wait at the bridge." I did a little something, and then the key that we have agreed on, he changed it to a key and a half for the modulation. All by myself anymore.
Taas yan.
And I was like, is that the final, the key that finishes is the key that we chose, right? No, he says it's a key and a half higher. Oh my God. But I said, David, how could you do that?
Right.
Well, he said, if you can't do it,
Tinaas ang
there's other
palalo
singers
niya.
next. I was like, yeah. And that's all I needed to hit the note.
Mataas na yung part na yun, pero
I
tatakasan pa ni
actually said to
Estel
her,
lalo.
Hey, if you can't do it, there's singers next door that can do it. And actually, Whitney Houston was in the other studio, but I didn't say her name. But anyway, it was all in fun.
Hindi nga malalim,
And Celine ended up
Estel.
hitting the note, and now we have you, Estelle. You ready? Here we go.
Alright, let's go! Let's go!
When I was young, I never needed anyone, and making love was just for fun. Those days are gone.
Ang boses talaga ni Stel, ah.
living alone. I think of all the friends I've known. But when I dial the telephone, nobody's home.
Grabe yung boses, no? Napakaganda. Biruin nyo, lalaki, no? Yung pinakang original na kumanta is talagang babae. So this time, Estel, no? Pero yung boses, di ba? Grabe, ang taas. Diba, let's go. Yun na, hinga malalim. Maalon pa, no?
Hard to be sure. Sometimes I feel so insecure. You look so distant and obscure. Remains the cure.
Yan na. Hinga malalim talaga. Kada all by myself, hinga malalim talaga. Galing, galing, galing. Abangan natin yung pinakang high notes na sinasabi dito. Ayan na. Buelo na, buelo na. Mataas niyan, pataasan pa nila yan eh. Lalo. Ayan na. Hinga malalim. Gusto ko yung ganun niya, no? You know? Kala nyo nawala, ah.
Don't wanna be all by myself.
Ayan na. Grabe, ang haba. Galing, still. Grabe, no? Lalaki yan, ha? Pero yung boses ang taas. Yung malalim si Stel, eh. Puta, perfect! Grabe, ang galing. Kapag ganun si David, oh. Grabe. Perfect. Grabe yan. Ang galing ng boses, no? Diba? Partida, lalaki pa yan, no? Pero yung boses, napakataas. Grabe. More pa daw, ah. Ha?
Wow, what a voice. And he's your very own. I love it. He's got a major career ahead of him. Well, I think probably the only way that you can follow that voice is with another great voice, probably, I would say, my favorite male voice.
Oh, di ba? Favorite male voice, di ba? Nanggaling pa sa lalaking boses yun. Di ba? Grabe.
I would say my favorite male
Male voice. Diba? Grabe, no? Grabe yung boses talaga neto sa All By Myself. Pero ang taas, tinaasan palalo yun, no? Anymore. So yun lang, no? Balik tanaw ko lang, no? Ito lang yung pinaka-random na nakita nating video na lumang video about kay Estel since birthday nga po, no? Ni Estel Ahero ng SB19. So happy birthday ulit sa'yo, Estel Ahero ng SB19. More birthdays to come. Yan. So more music, no? So palakpakan natin sa Heavenly Boys Estel ng SB19. Grabe, ang taas talaga nun, no? Napanood ko na to actually. So yun, balik tanaw lang tayo. So 2024 to in-upload ng June. So yun, June 19, 2024. So magto 2 years na siya. This June 19, no? 2026 nga po. Diba? So napahanga si David doon sa banat ni Estel na yun. Napakahusay talaga, Estel. Okay, yun. So once again, happy birthday Estel Ahero. Yun, so ng SB19. Okay, so mga madam, mga sir, maraming salamat muli sa pagsama sa akin sa video na to. No? So magkita-kita tayo sa mga sunod na upload. Once again, this is Dog TV. Feels and I'm out. Bye-bye. God bless out.